And then we need CORS. Why we need CORS? CORS allows us to get requests from anywhere, from any clients. Good. And then very important thing, what we need, it's not imported automatically. Okay, in this case, VS Code doesn't work, so let's do it by myself. Import CORS from CORS. Okay, good. And then next step, it's JSON. Why we need JSON? Because whatever we got, it's always JSON. Whatever we send, it's JSON. So that's why we need to be sure of consistency. That's always we get JSON and send JSON. That's why we need express.json. If you want to read more information, just hold the mouse over JSON and read. Returns middleware that only passes JSON and only looks at request where the content type header matches the type options. So done. And now you don't need to hesitate about this stuff anymore.